嗨，我叫 Jackson，我现在在 SEGi 读 Mechanical Engineering，今年是我的 4th year of studying here。So，我选 SEGi 是因为它蛮靠近我家 ，and then 它的学费也没有很贵，对我来讲is reasonable。然后还有 quite convenient 啦，如果我没有车的话，我可以搭 MRT。我暂时是觉得 enough 啦 for what 我现在学着的东西。来，我们这边也是有 lab， 然后我有自己的 project， where 我在自己我们 hands on 自己做的啦。So 这个是一个house use 的 food composter，so 我们可以 make it as a fertilizer。So 首先我们会有这个切菜切水果的 machine。然后我们就有 filtration， 我们会 filter， 然后过后我们里面我们有 heater， 我们有 fan。For 一个 food composter， 我们是需要 at least maybe a month，where 你在家你把那种食物放在一个 container 里面，然后你等它 fertilize， 然后它会有一个很重的味道，它才要持续1个月，它才会有那个 fertilizer。所以我们这个东西是为了 fasten 的 process， 这个东西我们可以24小时里面我们可以拿到一个 fertilizer。因为我是读 O level international school， 所以我 graduate 了，然后我拿 diploma。At first 我的 diploma 我是想要读 aviation，then 我就觉得 aviation 很 too focus 了，然后我会觉得很像可能一个 MCO 这样子。全部人没有人飞，那我的 aviation 的工作就没有了，所以我就想着我拿 mechanical， 像 mechanical 我如果 aviation 这个 industry stop 了，我可以拿很多其他像automotive semiconductor 这样子。对我来讲 advice 我觉得 SEGi 是一个蛮好的地方In engineering 我们有很多，我们有 mechanical engineering、mechatronic， 我们有 chemical。So it's quite nice。我们有我们自己的 lab， 然后我们有 workshop， 然后我们的 lecturer 很helpful。当你不会什么东西的时候你可以问那个 lecturer whether 他有 extra time，then 我们可以face to face 1 hour 跟他。很像我们这个 project 也是我们我们 face difficulty， 很像 wiring， 我们是 mechanical engineering， 可是我们没有很detail 在 electrical。So 我们可以去 construct electrical lecturer to help us on 这边的 project
I'm Elizabeth. I'm a student of Bachelor of Optometry, and I'm currently in my final year, semester 7. First of all, optometry is the study of eyes. So basically about how the visual system works and how our eyes work as well, and correcting refractive errors by using glasses or contact lens, and we help people to see better. And also optometry is a primary care. So a little fun fact actually that by looking into our eyes, you can actually tell the health of your body. And if you'd like to know more, you can also check out our Instagram. Yeah.
Okay.
And other than that, our SEGi optometry course, they also offer practical lab lessons, starting in year 1, Sem 2 itself. And you can say that we are technically trained since our degree. And also our faculty offers a very updated curriculum that covers a wide range of optometry courses like clinical practices or optical science and eye care technology, and also how to manage eye diseases as well. And our facilities here are actually also updated. The students have access to modern tools such as the machines over here like that. And also we in FOVS, we have a long-term collaboration with Rotary Club since 2017. So they provide students with opportunity for community screening outside in rural areas and stuff. Yeah. Yes, they do, and actually quite a lot. So as I mentioned earlier just now, we are exposed to practical experience in year 1, such as learning how to do refraction and also lens dispensing. And the clinical year starts at year 3 onwards. So with the optometry students here are also exposed to many types of clinic in SEGi eye care, like the lens dispensing, general clinic, contact lens clinic, binocular vision clinic, pediatric clinic, as well as low vision clinic. Yeah. So we are also exposed to external hospitals for postings in clinical years, such as we work with Thomson Hospital, like Oasis Eye Care, and in our internship placement, we are offered to go to government hospitals. Well, other than just being an optometrist, there are actually more than you think. Optometrists, they can work in retail, they can also work in hospitals or private practices, private clinics, and they can also specialize in pediatric optometry, like specializing in the eye care for children to treat amblyopia, known as lazy eye, or strabismus, known as crossed eye. And many optometry graduates in SEGi have also opened up their own practice, or they join the established corporate company like Focus Point or MOG. And typically, they usually join in the retail optometry, and some they will work in hospitals alongside with ophthalmologists as well. And with some working experience, you can also opt for industry company and be a supplier in the industry, such as Axilor Luxottica, Zeiss, Johnson & Johnson. So before any practical lab session that we have in our first, second year, we actually have a theory class a week before or 2 weeks prior to that. Then students can actually revise, and then they can revise and work on how, like, the procedure and stuff. And then after that, you will have practical lab sessions. So that is where you have more of an idea of what the procedure will be, and you're more prepared when you come for practical lessons. And there's also always a final practical exam at the end of the semester, so that to test your actual knowledge and your skills about the procedure.